Welcome to Cafe Noma and welcome to my reaction to Dean Taylor, and I'm going to react to the song Let's Go Somewhere. This is my first time listen. It will be a single take and honest reaction to Let's Go Somewhere, request of Eric. Let's get started.
We all have lives to live of our own, but we just can't seem to leave others alone. People on the go in this mighty nation, you wouldn't think there'd be time for discrimination. As I'm walking down the street, the people stop and they stare at me. They think I'm different and they want to see, why don't they let me be? Let's go somewhere, baby, where people don't care, baby. Let's go somewhere, baby, where people don't stare, baby. They say my hair's much too long, the way I dress to them, it's all wrong. So much happens from day to day, just for amusement and for on display. So let's go somewhere, baby, where people don't care, baby. Let's go somewhere, baby, where people don't care, baby. They don't understand our love, so they make us suffer. They don't know the wrong they've done, judging a book by its cover. Let's go somewhere, where people don't care, baby. Let's go somewhere, in this land of opportunity, they say we're treated with equality. But if we're different, they'd change the rules and try to make us feel like fools. So let's go somewhere, baby, but people don't care, baby. Let's go somewhere, baby, where people don't care, baby. So come and take me by the hand, together we'll find our promised land. We'll be ourselves, we won't have to hide the way we feel deep down inside. So let's go somewhere, baby, where people don't care, baby. Let's go somewhere, baby, where people don't care, yeah. Let's go somewhere, baby, where people don't care, baby.
Okay, this is simple. This is nice. This was this was good to listen to. Dean Taylor and Let's Go Somewhere, Baby. It sounded old, definitely old, and he's talking about let's go to a place where people don't judge us, people don't stare, they just don't care about us. I want to escape from this land, escape from this discrimination. I don't want to be looked at all the time. I don't want to be judged by people all the time when I'm walking down on the street, for my hair, for the way I look. All the time people are just passing judgments as if they have nothing else to do in this land of opportunity. Now, things were not clearly said what exactly which location is talking about, which country is talking about. For me as an outsider, all of those things matter because I can't tell from apples to oranges which place it is. But when it comes to in your country, if it is about America, when it released in your country, you know it is about you, or it is about your society at that moment. For me, it could be from the UK or from America. Either of them, I don't know which place he's talking about. The way his voice was, the little bit of the accent, little bit what I understood, it sounded more like an English person singing, but I could be completely wrong because don't know too much about Dean Taylor. He's just fed up of the way the things work in the society where he's living with his partner, with his family, and he just wants to get out of there. He just wants to feel free. He doesn't want to be judged. He doesn't want to be looked at by people. He doesn't want to feel different anymore. He wants to feel part of it, or if it is not possible, then let me get out of here. He's saying there are rules, they say there are rules and things like that, but still they discriminate so much and he is not able to understand. It's a personal experience and personal understanding opinion of a person, and it doesn't have to be a general opinion about certain thing. I for a person, I as a person also, when I've been abroad, I've faced the similar kind of things, those similar kind of stares and glares, and as if everybody is judging me, or people are out there just talking about me, looking at me and passing comments, or they don't like what I'm doing, or the way I walk, or the way I dress, and things like that. So it happens, and I think most foreigners in different countries may feel that way by the locals, that are we looking that different, why do they keep glaring at us, why do they keep staring at us, are we different? Actually, people are different in different lands. If they look different, little bit different from the locals, they do behave that way. But when you're a local and you're treated like a foreigner, or when you're treated like an alien, that is when it hurts the most. When you're part of that same community, that same society, and yet you're treated like an outsider, that is when it hurts the most. Because you don't expect in your own home, in your own house, to be treated like an outsider, like an outcast all the time. You can imagine yourself in your small family, when if your three siblings are, you three are siblings, and parents like one of you a lot, and remaining two are not treated that well, or they are not accepted that well, or one person is just left out and remaining two are embraced all the time, they are given all the attention, they are given all the love and care and things like that. So it does hurt to be that black sheep, or that person who just is always ignored, never paid attention to, or just treated unfairly. It hurts a lot. What a person can do, I really don't know. Different things come to your mind just like this. Let's get out of here, let's go somewhere where these things don't happen. But I say, going somewhere also, there will be people. There'll always be people of different kind and different mentality, different mindset. Your problems will never be solved. Maybe you will be able to solve this problem, but something else will be waiting for you wherever you go. Instead of running away, fight for your rights, stay where you are, and make changes. Fighting for your rights does not mean get violent and get down on the streets and start making a big news about things, just grab attention that you matter and things like that. But fighting for your rights in the right sense, creating awareness with those people who think you are different. When you're contributing it all in the right way, you're contributing to the society, you're contributing to the peace of the society, you're contributing to the welfare of the society, then why should you be treated unfairly or differently? And why should there be, if this is about a color difference, why should there be a color difference in this world? Because every zone that you move from, north to south, there will be different shades of colors. Just because some people are living in the north and they think it should be only one skin color, that's so silly of them to think, because that's just because the location they come from. There is no other quality, or there is no other merit to their color. Or if somebody is from the south and they think that everybody should be little darker the same way that they are, it's not a quality, it's not a merit, it's not a gift. It's just the way the world functions, and we are all educated enough to think about these things. We should be able to reason it out, but somewhere we are not able to patch the gap. And there are those people too who just keep on widening the gap that is already there. They just work on widening the gap every time instead of filling it, and they sell it in a way as if they are helping people. They aren't really helping anybody. So, and they are entertained a lot, they are cheered a lot by the people who are fighting for their rights. It's a long story. I don't know when it will get over, when will it end. More the population, more the explosion of population, as it is happening, and it will continue to happen for the next few centuries. It will continue happening. So I don't know what will be the solution. We can only do little bit, as much as we can. The rest is up to people. What they are trying to do and what they are trying to create is up to them. That's all for this reaction. I like the way the song sounded. Welcome to Cafe Noma, and welcome to my reaction to Eddie Harris, and I'm going to react to the song Is It In? Is It In? I don't know what it's about. This will be a first time single take honest reaction for sure. Let's get started with the song Is It In?
Is it in?
Oh, this was upbeat. This was nice to listen to. This was primarily the same tune that was playing the entire time. Just the title of the song was sung once, and then there were some voices. Some voices definitely were coming and going. But this was fun to listen to. This is like an in between music, as in. You're at an event and when there is a break, like a filler music, this would go very well. Or for video games or something like that, at the background of the game, this would fit well with the guitar tune, ting ding ding ding, the way the same guitar tune keeps playing, and then the horns and everything are playing and the drums are playing. It is mild, at the same time you can do different things while listening to this kind of music. So it's created in a unique way. It's definitely, for me, it won't be the showstopper of an event, but definitely a filler song where there's a break and you want to put something in. This kind of music goes well. It's not very distracting, at the same time it is enough to enjoy, enough to pay for people to notice, if they want to, that yes, something good is playing. That kind of music. I like the way the drums were playing, I like the way the horns were playing, and the guitar too, and it was combination of these. Sounded good. Is it in? I don't know, but it sounded good for sure. That's all for this reaction.